How to unblock someone from Yahoo Mail. If you accidentally block someone in Yahoo Mail, follow this step to unblock them and receive their mails again. Open your Yahoo Mail application. From the home screen, tap onto the profile icon from the top left corner. From the pop-up, select Settings. From the Setting interface, you have to scroll down and tap on Block Unwanted Senders domain. In this interface, you will be able to see email ID that you have blocked. You just have to tap on them and unblock. Confirm the action and the sender will now be unblocked. After unblocking, check your spam folder for past emails from the sender. If you find emails there, move them to your inbox so future emails arrives normally. And that's it. Now you know how to unblock someone in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.